In a major crackdown on the interstate drug trade, the Agartala Government Railway Police has seized a massive consignment of Phensedyl from a freight train at the Badharghat Railway Station. This high-profile recovery follows a similar major bust at Jirania Railway Station, signalling an intensified vigilance by railway authorities against the use of cargo services for smuggling. Acting on precise intelligence regarding a large shipment of contraband entering the state, a team of GRP officers conducted a targeted raid on a stationary goods train at Badharghat. During the search, security personnel discovered several rucksacks and boxes hidden amidst legitimate cargo, thousands of bottles of Khorang cough syrup. Preliminary investigations suggest the consignment was likely transported from outside the state, specifically from roads connecting Bihar or Delhi, intended for local distribution or cross-border smuggling into Bangladesh, where the syrup fetches a high price in the illegal market. The police have registered a case under the NDPS Act. While the recovery was substantial, authorities are currently interrogating local handlers to identify the kingpins behind this logistic-heavy smuggling operation. Report, Chini Khorang.